The A200 multifunctional printer for heat transfer and printing is equipped with Epson print heads, offering a maximum printing width of less than or equal to 330 mm. It supports both color and white printing configurations. This printer is compatible with PET heat transfer printing film, providing a printing resolution of 1440/2160/2880 dpi, with a printing speed of 2.5-3.5/h for 6-pass and 1.5-2.0/h for 8-pass. It utilizes durable pigment-based inks and comes with the RIP software Dooyion for optimized printing results. The A200 also features heating and drying functions, with adjustable platform suction and LED lighting, ensuring efficient and high-quality prints. It is compatible with Windows 7 and Windows 10 operating systems, and supports color management through ICC or density curve.